This is a picture of the motherboard inside Verna's computer. I got this picture from off of the internet. It is clear to see that the VGA ATX 12-volt connector is 4-pin. I was able to force a 6-pin in it using a cable from the new power supply. When I did, nothing powered up, not even the power supply. So I disconnected that 6-pin connection to get it to boot up. It turned on, but nothing displayed. I took it to the computer store and explained the situation, that I did not have a 4-pin cable on my power supply. Then he forced in an 8-pin, where I had tried to force in the 6-pin. He turned it on, and it worked. Took him all of 60 seconds. Why what he did worked and what I tried didn't, I have no idea. But knowing Verna, she could care less, and rightfully so. The main thing is that her PC is working now. I took the time to write a good review to the store, which I would encourage others to do who have a positive experience with anyone they do business with.